Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo Wii on your television. First, identify the video output cables from your Wii console. These typically include 3 colored RCA plugs, yellow for video and red and white for audio. Next, locate the matching input ports on your television. Carefully connect each colored plug to its corresponding port on both the Wii and your TV. Finally, power on your Wii and switch your television to the correct input channel to see the Wii menu. The Wii primarily uses a standard composite AV cable, featuring 3 RCA plugs for video and stereo audio. For a clearer picture, especially on older high-definition TVs, consider a component cable. This cable uses 5 RCA plugs, separating the video signal into 3 distinct components. For the best modern experience, an HDMI adapter can convert the Wii's signal, allowing connection to newer televisions with a single cable. Select the cable that best suits your television's available inputs. Once your Wii is connected, grab your television remote and press the input or source button. This will bring up a menu of available connections. You'll need to cycle through options such as AV1, Component 1, or HDMI 1, depending on the cable type you're using and the port you chose. When you select the correct input, the familiar Wii menu should appear on your screen, ready for you to start playing your favorite games. If you're not seeing the Wii menu, don't worry, troubleshooting is straightforward. First, double-check that all your cables are securely plugged into both the Wii and the television. Next, confirm that your TV is indeed on the correct input channel. Sometimes it's just a matter of cycling through them again. Also, ensure your Wii console's power light is illuminated. If issues persist, trying a different cable type or a different input port on your TV can often resolve the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.